Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About cosine 6x, we can put into cosine of 2 multiplied by 3x. So we know that we have cosine 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sine a squared. Capital A, that's about 3x. And we change capital A into 3x. That means this one in here, we will change for 1 minus 2 sine 3x squared. Next, about cosine 3x to the power of 3, we can write into cosine 3x squared multiplied by cosine 3x. So we have the second formula in here. Cosine 2x squared plus sine 2x squared. Number 3. Cosine 3x squared plus sine 3x squared equals to number 1. So we want to change cosine 3x squared. So we put this one go to the right. And this one in here, we will change for 1 minus sine 3x squared. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine 3x. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to 3 cosine 3x dx. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides of number 3. So this one, we will change for u, and you got about u to the power of 3. This one we change for u squared. This one we change for u squared. Cosine 3x dx, we change for du over 3. And now we need to expand this one. U to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 and u squared. You will got about u to the power of 3 minus u to the power of 5. So u to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 and negative 2u squared. Negative u to the power of 5 multiplied by 1 and negative 2u to the power of 2. So you will got about u to the power of 3 minus 2u to the power of 5 minus u to the power of 5 plus 2u to the power of 7. And this one you got about negative number 3 u to the power of 5. And now we got the final answer. The integral of u to the power of 4, you will got about u to the power of 3, you will got about u to the power of 4 over 4. The integral of u to the power of 5, you got about 3u to the power of 6 over 6. And the last one, and we put about c. About u, that's about sine 3x And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about s equal to u square. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about the s equal to 2u du. The reason I need to put about s equals to u square, because if we put this one go in here, we can cancel the square root, and that is the reason why we need to do this way. So about s we change for u square and u square. The s we change for 2u du. This one you will got about u. 2u multiplied by 1 and u square, you will got about 2u plus 2u to the power of 3. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So we will got about t equal to 2u plus 2u to the power of 3. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about dt equal to 2 plus 6u square du. dv we got about cosine u du. So if we do about this integration, we got about v equal to sine u. So we got about t multiplied by v minus, we have the integration dt multiplied by v. Now we need to find this integration. So we use about integration by parts, and we need to change this one into 2 plus 6u square. If we do first derivative for the both sides, you will got about 12u. This one we change for sine. So if we do this integration, we got about negative cosine u. So about this one, so we got about t multiplied by v. So you got about negative cosine u multiplied by 2 plus 6u square. Because we had a negative in here, and we have another negative in here, so you got about positive, and we have the integration 12u cosine u du. Now we use about integration by parts, and this time you got about u. This one you got about du cosine u. We put in here. Now this time we got about sine u. So we have t multiplied by v. So you got about u sine u minus the integration sine u du. The integral of negative sine u, you will got about positive cosine u, and we put about c in here. About u, That's it about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and you got about u equals to the square root of x. So we put this one to replace for u. We have the square root of x with the power 2, you got about x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.